Okay, guys, you should have had enough time to go into your exit ticket now. So what you should have done is just clicked that blue here. It says here. You should have just clicked on that, and then it should bring up your survey. It's also in your assignments on your Google Classroom, and I'm going to go through them. If you do answer it right on like the Google Doc that we've been doing the classwork on, you're going to have to take a picture and send it to me so that I can see it. Or if you're writing it on a separate piece of paper too, like if you can't get your phone or your computer to work, if you're doing it on a separate piece of paper, remember, you need to take a picture of your work and then you like upload it into the assignments, okay? You're able to just like take the picture and put it right into the assignment. So here we go. I'm gonna read it for you and you're gonna answer it. Alexis was excited for the weekend. During science class, Mrs. Patel called on her and she had no idea what she was even asked. Her mind was on camping in Glacier National Park. So what point of view is this text written in? First person point of view, third person limited point of view, or third person omniscient point of view? Guys, I also didn't mention that if like, while I'm reading all of this, if you're like, hey, I'm just gonna read it on my own, go for it. You can always read it on your own. But for the most part, I'm going to be reading through this for the kids that like me to read, just like we do any other time in class. If you feel like, hey, I'm cool to read it on my own, go ahead and do that. All right. I actually would encourage you to do that if you think that you can. And please don't rush though. Okay. Because you are getting a grade for it. Number 2, he was so upset he couldn't see straight. Why did they have to steal his bike? And on his birthday of all days? It just wasn't right. So what's the point of view? Number 3, my family and I are always moving. Mom doesn't understand what it's like to be a new kid at school, so she doesn't care how I feel. What point of view is that text written in? Then your last one. Jerry never liked being around big groups of people. He told his mom, I just hate it. No one pays attention to what I have to say. What point of view is the text written in? Okay, guys, excellent job for the first lesson. It's like we're in the future, which is going to connect to what we are reading this week and actually next week. That's why we're doing these lessons together for now. 8th grade, don't be frustrated. This is actually an 8th grade level text, and it's a really fun one. It's the same author that Miss Gratz is working with this week. And we are going to do her lessons in after we do this one. This is like a trial run of this first one. I want to see how you guys like it. And with this like being in the future, the story that we're going to read for the next 2 weeks is a story that is in the future. And people actually leave Earth and go to Mars to live on Mars. And there's going to be some creatures that we're going to learn about and some things. And some of you might be thinking, wow, I would like to go to Mars with all this stuff going on right now. Anyway, you know. Okay, well, excellent job. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. Office hours, Monday through Friday, 10 to 10:30, which doesn't give us a whole lot of time, okay, to talk. So if you're going to call, make sure that you have like specific questions. Feel free to text me, and I will, now that we have all these videos and these uploads, I'm going to be able to take videos of the baby and send them to you when we have it. So I will let you guys know if that happens. If not, you're going to keep on seeing me. All right. Wash those hands. Stay safe. Love ya. Bye.